Hey, it's your girl, the Work From Home Diva, and I am back with another work from home opportunity. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Enrollment Eligibility Representative, which is national remote for a company called United Health Group. You guys have probably heard of this company before. You may even have their insurance. But for this position, it is going to be a full-time remote position. You're required to work between these normal hours, which is 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Training, of course, will be conducted virtually from the comfort of your own home. So you will be researching errors by comparing enrollment error reports against system information along with CMS, which is the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services. You will be sending correspondence to members of CMS to gather information or provide updates for corrections, reconciling reports, performing basic clerical duties, so you must be proficient with PC. You will be initiating and assisting with development changes to increase or change quality and productivity, preparing, processing, and maintaining new member or group enrollments, responding to new member eligibility or group questions, and verifying enrollment status. So the great thing is they do reward you for your performance in an environment that will challenge you. And the great thing is they do provide you with different things to help you be successful. So if you decide that you want to move up in the company, you can definitely do that. So they'll probably have some one-on-one team meetings and things like that. So let's talk about what are the qualifications. You do have to have a high school diploma or GED or 10 plus years of equivalent working experience. So what does that mean? That means that the company will allow you to work for them without a high school diploma or a GED as long as you have those 10 plus years of equivalent working experience, which is wonderful. And you must have computer skills, including working knowledge of Microsoft Windows with mouse and keyboard skills. And of course, we talked about you must be available within this time zone. So you are required, of course, to have a dedicated work area separate from everyone else in the household. It must be quiet, and you must live in a location that you're able to receive United Health Group approved high-speed internet. So take a look at this pay down here. If you are in Colorado, California, Connecticut, Nevada, Washington, or New York City, you'll be paid from $16 to $31.44 per hour. Of course, it's based on different factors such as education, work experience, certification, and things like that. But if you really think about it, if you've been working at home for quite a while or working in a call center doing sales, customer support, or anything of that nature, even if you don't live in these cities or states, you would still qualify to make between this pay range, of course, depending on your experience. So they do offer 401k, and they have a comprehensive benefit package, incentive, and recognition programs, which is awesome because you want to make sure you have great benefits working from home. I will be leaving a link down in the description box below as always, so you can go ahead and apply. I do recommend you go ahead and apply fast because I know this position will go pretty quickly with the high number of applicants they have. All right, you guys, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. That is it for today's video, and I will see you in the next one.